So here is the Cura Home Fairbrook. This is a 24.5 inch 5 light rustic farmhouse light. It's got a very cool finish on the side. Can we turn the light off for a second? If you can see that, let's focus in on that finish right there. But very nice farmhouse light, ring, kind of like a round kitchen island like. It's got the smoked birch wood style and black finish. We put in the LED bulbs that can be dimmed if you put a dimmer on, but we got the flame tip style bulbs. Also have it attached to the ceiling here to a medallion, so I'll link that up down below as well if you want to pick this up. But this is what the light looks like. Let's turn the light on again. Very nice. You can actually adjust the chain to any length you want. You may put it over your table. Could possibly put it a little higher or lower, however you choose. You might put it in a entryway or in a stairwell, just depending on where you're getting it. But this is the Cura Fairbrook 24.5 inch light. Check out the link down below. I'll link it down below and you can go grab yourself one.